Hello everyone, welcome to Yota Software Solutions. We are excited to introduce our new Odoo app 5S Advanced Dynamic PDF Watermark. With this app, you can easily add dynamic watermarks to any Odoo reports, including invoices, quotations, purchase orders, delivery orders, and custom reports. Let's see how it works and explore its amazing features. Let's get started. Now we will navigate to settings. After enabling the developer mode, you can see the technical menu. We will click on it. We scroll down and we can see the watermark settings menu here. We will click on it. Now, we will click on new. From here, you can create and manage multiple watermark configurations for different models and reports. Before creating any watermark, let's quickly understand the basic configuration fields. Configuration name. Here, you will enter the configuration name to identify your setup. Target model. You will select the target model where we have to apply the watermark. Choose the watermark type. Static text. This option is perfect for adding fixed text such as draft, confidential, paid, or any custom message to your Odoo PDF reports. Dynamic field value. Dynamic field value. This is unlike static text. This watermark automatically displays data from your Odoo records. Logo image stamp. This feature allows you to add your company logo, approval stamp, or any custom image as watermark on your PDF reports. Now, page visibility. Define page visibility where it should appear on the first page, last page, or all pages. You can also enable and disable the configuration at any time. Watermark field. Select the fields we have to show in the PDF reports. Next, under the Style and UI settings, you can fully customize your watermark by selecting the font stamp color, font size, opacity, and rotation angle to achieve the exact look you want. Finally, simply select the report where you want this watermark configuration to be applied. Now, let's start with the static text watermark. This option is perfect for adding fixed text such as draft, confidential, paid, or any custom message to your PDF Odoo. Now, let's start with the static text watermark. This option is perfect for adding fixed text such as draft, confidential, paid, or any custom message to your PDF reports. Simply enter the configuration name. Select the target model. Watermark type as static text. Page visibility. Watermark text. Will enter done as the watermark text. You can also see a live preview of your watermark while configuring it. Now let's customize the font color, opacity, and rotation angle. We can see the changes here in the preview. Now let's select the report. We are selecting quotation order. Now let's save it. Now let's generate the report. We will navigate to sales. We'll make an quotation. We'll save it. Let's confirm it. Now we will generate the quotation print. As you can see, the watermark is applied exactly as configured. Now let's explore the dynamic field watermark. We will make a new configuration. We choose a target model as sales order. Watermark type as dynamic field value. Watermark field we will take as customer. Now we will apply the condition rules. So let's enable the apply condition. Now we will make a new rule. Now match all of the following rules means the watermark configuration will work only when all the specified conditions are satisfied. Match any of the following rules means the watermark configuration will work if even one of the specified condition is satisfied. Now we will choose sales team is equal to, in database there are two sales team configured. So when we select sales team, the configured sales teams will appear here and we can select from them. It's a many to many field. Now you can see here the 8 records. This means the target model sale order have 8 records. Let's recheck it. You can see there are 8 records. Now let's move on to configuration. Now let's change the UI settings. Now we will select the report as PDF code and save it. Now let's print the PDF code, the quotation. Now let's print the PDF code. Now we can see the watermark is applied exactly as configured. As we have configured the watermark field as customer sale order, we can see in sale order the customer is town 1 and in watermark we can see the town 1 has been appear as watermark field. Now let's move the logo stamp image. Before moving to logo stamp image watermark, one of the most powerful feature of this module is that you can configure watermark not only for standard Odoo reports but also for any custom Odoo QWeb reports. Simply select the report and the watermark will be applied seamlessly. This makes the module highly flexible and suitable for all your business reporting needs. Finally, let's explore the logo image watermark. These features allow you to add your company logo approval stamp or any custom image as an watermark on your PDF reports. Now, let's click on New. We write the configuration name. We choose the target model as sale order, watermark type as logo image stamp. Let's choose the watermark image. We have choose the watermark image here. Now, you can also customize the image dimensions and other UI settings to match your Odoo layout perfectly. Let's adjust the width. You can see by adjusting width, the height automatically calculates. Now change the opacity here. Rotation angle. You can see the live preview. This lets you verify the final look before generating the PDF. Now let's select the report. as quotation order. We'll save it. Now let's generate the report. So now let's take any sale order here right now. Now let's generate the quotation order. Image watermark is applied automatically, giving your reports a professional and branded appearance. There's one more thing, that you can also archive any watermark configuration when it is no longer needed. Archive configurations are safely stored and can be restored at any time, helping you keep your active configuration organized without losing any settings. So that's how we can use the YSS Advanced Dynamic Watermark. You can protect sensitive documents, strengthen the brand identity, and create professional PDF reports, all from one powerful module. Thank you for watching. If you are looking for a complete watermark solution for Odoo, YSS Advanced Dynamic Watermark is the perfect choice. For more Odoo apps and custom solutions, visit our website yotasoftwaresolutions.com. See you in the next demo. Thank you.